How to do freeze frame effect in DaVinci Resolve. Move the playhead to the position you want the effect, and with blade tool add a cut. With the right arrow key go forward one frame and add another cut. Hold down the Alt key and scroll to zoom into timeline. Right-click on the cut and choose Change Clip Speed. Check the Freeze Frame checkbox and click Change. Bring the other half of video forward and increase the length of the freeze frame clip. Go to Effects panel, click on Video Transitions, and search for Flash. Drag Brightness Flash Transition into between clips and timeline and adjust its duration. Hold down the Alt key and drag the transition to other cut to duplicate it. Click on Open FX and search for Pencil Sketch. Drag Pencil Sketch effect into the middle cut. Open up Sound Library and from drop-down choose Fairlight Sound Library. Search for click and drag this sound effect into timeline. I only want the first part of it, and remove the rest of it. Adjust its position, then hold down the Alt key and drag it to duplicate it for the second transition.